everyone, and welcome to this course, Running a Large Solution at Scale. My name is Tommy van Schaik. I'm an IT project manager and an Agile implementation coach, helping organizations to transition to an Agile organization. When having double-digit Agile teams working on the largest and most complex Agile solutions, we will have to pay extra attention to the alignment and shared vision of the product between these teams. In this course, we're going to provide you with the concepts to align teams on the solution level. Specifically, we will look at the roles that exist on the solution level, the extra rituals that need to take place to align the different Agile release trains in your solution, and how to use the economic framework to guide decentralized decision making in your solution train. After this course, you will be familiar with the concepts needed to participate in and organize a large solution train. Now, this course is also part of a larger learning path. That learning path will explain the entire framework for scaling Agile in great detail, getting you from a starter to an expert throughout all the courses. Now let's get started on this course, Running a Large Solution at Scale, here at Pluralsight.